Today's the day. This is the day that you've been waiting for, that we've been waiting for. It's Journey to Freedom. It's Freedom of the Seas. And it's time to board our next cruise.
It's cruise day!
Let's go up a deck. So this is Sorrento's.
Thank you.
Bording, congratulations on 40 years.
Oh, thank you. I hope you make it that long.
Well, hey, good morning. It's another sea day for How We Cruise. We're here on the Freedom of the Seas Cruise, and a little stormy, a little cloudy, a little windy, but the kids are having a great time. Katie, what have you done today? Splash pad? Splash pad. Are you going to get ice cream anytime soon? All right, so ice cream opens at 11 a.m. and it is almost that time. So Katie's gonna go run with her new friend and go get some ice cream. And I'm gonna wait for Julie to get back to the top tier event. And then we got some stuff going on later. We got a slot pool, we got dinner, and tonight we got a very special treat for our group. So hang around with the vlog if you want to see what happens later on. All right, check back later.
All right, we're on Freedom of the Seas. It's already day 2. It's a sea day. It's been a really great day. Brian and Katie headed up to the pool this morning. The boys ran off to find some food and some fun and some mini golf. Has there already been ice cream cones yet, girls?
Yeah.
There's already been ice cream cones. I explored the ship a little bit, did a little bit of work, and also hit the top tier event. But the girls now have found some time to work on, what are we doing, guys? Ducks. They're gonna go hide some ducks. You're gonna hide some ducks, find some ducks.
We had to organize them to pick out. We took one from each group.
Okay, one from each group. So how many are you taking with you today? Because you spread it out, right, throughout the
Yes,
cruise.
so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9.
Pretty awesome. Pretty awesome. I have wind blown hair from walking on the deck. It is super windy. It's a little choppy, but it's not too bad. We're going 16 knots right now. And it looks like we're on course to be in Labadee, Haiti tomorrow. So stay tuned to see what happens the rest of the day. Later on today, we have our slot pull.
Come on, baby.
So what do you have there, Caitlin? You have cookies, and what else do you have? And what are you gonna do with the ice cream? Watch this. What are you doing with your ice cream? Oh, look at that. And we've got an ice cream sandwich. Awesome. How is it? Is it good? Boy.